We are pleased to show you the 2019 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, Bluetooth, smart device integration, trip computer, universal garage door opener, cargo net, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass, compass. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.